guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a new subscription box for you and it is Masktime. This is the first time I've ever had this box. I've just cut into the box with my dragon tooth. I actually emailed this company because of a recommendation from Claire, who you will all know as Diary of a Beauty Geek. She has had this before and she sort of suggested to me that it would be worth giving them a message, and I did. And they said, okay, we'll send you some bits. So I've got one of their boxes. If my camera wants to pick it up, give him a second. He's not been on all week. Go on, mate, you can do it. Go on, camera. Go on, there we go, good boy. And it says you've got it glowing on. Basically, I emailed them and they said yes, they'd send me one. So I've got it here, and I'm sure you've all seen Claire's videos and it always looks really good. They offer 2 subscriptions. There is the Glow Starter Box, which is £9.95, and you get 4 masks, and then there is the Glow Setter Box, which is £18.95, and that is 8 to 10 masks. It's free shipping. What else was there? I want to make sure I tell you everything about it because I don't want to be rubbish. Okay, their website says different prices to the prices on the email they sent me. It says Glow Starter is £9.95 inclusive of postage, and then it says the Glow Setter is £24.99 inclusive of shipping within mainland UK for subscribing customers. You can buy the boxes as a one-time purchase for £12.95 or £29.95. You can buy one-off boxes like Valentines boxes, Christmas boxes. You can buy individual masks on their website. Everything is on their website. I will link all the links that I've got down below. It's got Masking 101 on there. It's a really nice, easy website to look around, and I want to just get in this box. So let's have a look. How are we opening you? Ooh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. So I've got a code here. This is thank you for your order. Welcome to the Masktime family. Have 15% of your next purchase. I'll leave that link down below for you guys. I love this packaging. Look, it's so pretty. This paper, I don't think the camera's going to pick it up, but it's like pearlescent, pink, glittery beautifulness. So let's just get in. Me trying to do it all carefully, I've just ripped it. So here we go. Right. So this is the Glow Starter Box. There's 4 masks in here, and I will just tell you about them as I pull them out. Oh, what are you? This is a Duft and Doft Salmon V Jean Hydro Active Mask. This is £4. And it says this luxurious high density microfiber air sheet mask comes generously soaked in a nourishing essence enriched with active ingredients, omega-3 amino acids, blended sodium DNA derived from caviar extracts to drastically improve the skin's natural rejuvenation process. 38 ml, the mask is infused with 3 times more essence than others on the market. It says omega-3 is 1,000 parts per million. I think that's ppm, it's parts per million, I think. Of caviar extract helps protect the skin from UVA and UVB rays, prevents breakdown of collagen and elastin, and collagen promotes glowing, vibrant skin. I'm very excited for this. And it basically just says you put it on for 10 to 20 minutes. When you do any of these sheet masks, don't waste any of the serum because it's all good. Just rub it everywhere. I'll put it on my arms, put it on my neck, put it on my, what's this bit? Your décolleté, something along those. I'll put it on the screen what I'm talking about. But yeah, don't ever waste it. So this is anti-wrinkle and whitening total regeneration. Very excited. I love masks. Next up, we've got another Duft and Doft, and it's a Hydra Soother Deep Hydration Mask, moisturising and revitalising. my skin since being pregnant is so dry, it's unreal. So I'm probably going to use this one tonight. Experience the ultimate in facial hydration technology with this Hydra Soother. Deep moisturizing and revitalizing solution locks in the moisture from your skin. Made with high density hydrocharge sheet that adheres to your face like a second skin. It's got aloe vera, green tea and hyaluronic acid. I love hyaluronic acid, it's one of my favorite skincare things. And again, this is put it on 10 to 20 minutes, take it off and just tap the essence on the face until it's completely absorbed. So don't, like, when you take it off, don't like then wipe away. Just give yourself a little face massage and get it in there. Next up, we've got a pink milk mask, tone up and radiance. I love the packaging, this is all so pretty. And the RRP on all of these is £4. And it says get ready to be pinked. The pink milk mask provides a brightening anti-wrinkle and tone-up features for a dewy and shiny complexion. Infused with pearl and milk protein extracts, this mask sticks to the contours of your face in an extremely comfortable fit, no slippage, while feasting your skin with a special pink essence ranked #1 as the top face mask in Korea, because this is all Korean skincare. Pearl brightens dull looking skin and provides anti-aging benefits, and milk lactic acid helps reduce dark spots, hydrates skin and heals acne. And then the final mask is Black Therapy Customized Refining Mask, Purifying and Brightening. This says provides a purifying and brightening effect for the skin for both sensitive and oily skin types. The mask has a velvety touch and the black mineral material gently absorbs all impurities. Oh, that sounds good. Each Black Therapy mask is enriched with precious plant elements, leaving the skin moisturized while at the same time cleaner and brighter. Lotus flower says controls sebum production, helping to balance out oily skin. And camu camu, a fruit that is packed full of nutrients, vitamins and amino acids, and it's anti-inflammatory. So I'm very excited to try these. This one says it minimises the appearance of pores to leave skin soft and refined. So that's 4 awesome looking masks. I will be using these over the next probably 2 weeks, and I will be putting them all on my Instagram stories, so you can see what they're like when they're on, and then I'll do a little mini review of each one as I do it, and then I'll put it on my highlights on Instagram as well, so we can see all the different ones. But yeah, this is what is in this, and this is the £9.95 box including shipping, and they RRP for £4 each, so you're saving a little bit of money, and you're getting a nice parcel of skincare as well, which I'm very excited about. So yeah, if you like these videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come, because why not? It's free. Let's be friends. I'd enjoy that a lot. Let me make sure there's nothing else I need to tell you guys, because you know what I'm like about forgetting things. It says all masks sourced directly from Korea straight to customer's door. All masks have been tested before we curate them to ensure they're best quality and it's suitable for all skin types, and they only put the best sheet masks in their boxes. All items sold on the website are a flat rate of shipping £3.50 unless the customer spends £30 and it's free, but only in the UK. I think that's it. I'll link everything down below for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye.